kids. We all know the multiplication tables. But do you really know the meaning of this word, multiplication? It is difficult, right? So let me help you here. It is adding the same number over and over. Let's understand with the help of few examples. Let's take this 2 plus 2 plus 2. The answer is really simple. This can be calculated on your fingers also. The answer will be 6. But have you seen how many times we have written 2? Yes, we have written 3 times. We have written 3 times 2. Or you can also write as 3 cross 2. Now this cross is times, represented as times in multiplication. And you already know that 3 cross 2 or 3 times 2 is 6. Both will give the same answer. 2 plus 2 plus 2 will also give 6 and 3 times 2 will also give 6. It actually has the same meaning. Let's take another example. How many scoops of ice creams can you see? Pink, yellow and purple. Yes, it's 3. And now it's 3 more. And it's 3 more again. So, it can be written as 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means how many times we have written 3? 3 times 3. Which can also be presented as 3 cross 3. And you already know the answer to 3 cross 3 is 9. So the total number of scoops is 9. Now let's take another example here. How many scoops of ice cream can you see in this cup? Yes, there are 4 scoops of ice cream. Another 4? That means you can write as 4 plus 4. Or you can write it as 2 times 4. That means 2 cross 4. And you already know the answer to 2 cross 4, which is 8. That means there are total 8 scoops of ice cream. Now let's take another example. How many scoops of ice cream you can see here? White and pink. Yes, that's correct. 2. We add another 2. We add another 2. Another 2. Another 2. That means you are adding 2. How many times? 5 times. This can also be written as 5 times 2 or 5 cross 2, which is 10. So the total number of ice cream scoops here is 10. Let's read this one. Okay, so how many scoops of ice cream can you see here? Pink, white, green, purple, white and brown. So it is 6. Another 6 scoops of ice cream. Another 6. Another 6. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or we can also write it as 4 times 6, which can also be presented as 4 cross 6. And 4 cross 6 gives you 24 as the answer. So that means, children, what we are doing here? We are adding the same number over and over. Now let's guess the multiplication problem here. 2 scoops of ice cream. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. And 2 more. So that means to find the total number of ice cream scoops here, we need to add 2. How many times? 7 times. Or we can write as 7 times 2. So you don't have to add 2 again and again. You can simply 7 multiply by 2 and that will be 14. Let's go to another multiplication problem. How many scoops can you see here? Correct, 4. Another 4. Another 4. Another 4. And one more time. That means to find the total number of ice cream scoops here, you need to add 4 5 times. Or we can write it as 5 times 4. Which will give you the answer as 20. So there are 20 scoops of ice cream in total. Let's take another example here. So many scoops of ice creams. How many? Just count. Brown, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It's 8 scoops of ice cream in one cone. Another 8, another 8, another 8, another one, another one, another one. That means 7 cones are there which contains 8 scoops of ice cream. You need to add 8 7 times, or you can write as 7 times 8, which is 56. So there are 56 scoops of ice cream in total. I hope you have understood the meaning of multiplication.